number 2, the greatest number among 2 to the power 72, 5 to the power 36, 11 to the power 24, and 3 to the power 60. There is a very good method to solve such kind of questions too. See, we had 2 to the power 72. What we have? We have 5 to the power 36. I will tell you a poisonous trick which will solve all these questions very easily. 24, 3 to the power 60. If the powers, I'm not writing it, if the powers of a number are, I am writing it, okay? I will write in a box here. See, if the powers, if the powers of numbers are positive integers, then what you will do? Then then you will take the highest common factor, that is SCF, of those powers. Those powers. See what we have here. We have four numbers here. First is 24. Then we have 36. Then we have 60. Then we have 72. So as you know that SCF is nothing but the highest common factor among all the numbers. See, 12, these all these numbers are divisible by 12, and 12 is the largest number that divide themselves. So HCF is nothing but 12. The SCF is here 12. So what you will do, you have to write this number in the power of 12. So what you, how you will write? You will write 2 to the power 6, 6 to the power 12. This one is the trick. You will write each of them in the power of 12. It is 5 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 12. It is 11 to the power 2, 2 to the power 6, 11 to the power 2, 2 to the power 12. As we already know, a to the power m bracket to the power n is equal to a into mn. Or next, last number what we have, 3. So 3 to the power 5 to the power 12. If I simplify them, then they will become 60, 72, 36, 24 and 60. So each power is equal. If each power is equal, then you will not consider that power. If each power is equal, then you will not consider that power. So here we have 2 to the power 36 is nothing but 64. This number is equivalent to 64. This number is 125. This number is 121. And this number is 3 to the power 5, that is 243. So what we have to tell the greatest number. So this one is the greatest number. 2 to the power 43 is the greatest number, and it is nothing but 3 to the power 60 is the greatest number. So you have only two conditions, whether you have a to the power m or whether you have a to the power 1 upon m. 1 upon m means fraction and a to the power m means a positive integer. So we have all the tricks of both these questions. Next, this question is also based on the SCF of this number. First of all, what you will do, you will do this question directly. 200. So what I have 150. I have 200. I have 200. I have 250. I have 250. I have 300. As you know that their HCF means highest common factor is 50. Is it visible to our naked eyes? What? That 50 is the largest number that divides all these numbers. So we have to write 50 in the power of each number. So how we will write? We will write 7 to the power 4. 4 to the power 50. Next number, how we'll write? 9 to the power 3, 9 to the power 3, 3 to the power 50. Next, how we'll write? We will write 6 to the power 5 to the power. In this condition, he is asking the smallest number, 5 to the power 6. Otherwise, if you want to find the larger number, then you have to work more harder. See, power of each number is same, then this one is you have to find out the smallest number. See, this one is nothing but 7 to the power 4. 7 to the power 4 is nothing but 2401. This is 2401. 9 cube is nothing but 729. So this one is the smallest number, because here we have 6 to the power 5. You know that 6 to the power 6 square is 36, and here 6 square is 36. So 6 to the power 4 is equal to 1296, and you have to multiply another 6, so this number will be greater. And here we have 120, here we have 25 cube, which is equal to 15,625. So these two numbers are very big. So these numbers are, I can write them orally. These number I have to multiply, because this is 15,625, and this number is 1296 into 6. 1296 into 6 it is, and it is 15,005, because it is nothing but 25. So if you want to write it, 6 6 are 36, 6 9 ja 54 or 3 59, 6 2 ja 12 or 5 17, 6 1 ja 1 or 1, 6 1 ja 1, 6 1 ja 6 plus 1 7. So this one is the largest, second largest, second smallest, and smallest. So I have to find the smallest number. So what is the smallest number? It was 9 to the power 3, means 9 to the power 150 is the smallest number. This one is the smallest. And which one is the largest? 5 to the power 6, means 5 to the power, this one is the largest. Next, UPSC has asked this question in 2022. Which number amongst 2 to the power 40, 3 to the power 21, 4 to the power 18, 8 to the power 12 is the smallest? You have to find out the smallest number. I see 2 to the power 40. Next number is 3 to the power 21. Next number is 4 to the power 18. You can write it as 2 to the power 36. You can write 4 to the power 18 as it is 4 to the power 18 can be written as 2 to the square 18, which is equal to 2 to the power 36. And 8 to the power 12 can be written as 2 whole cube to the power 12. It is also 2 to the power 36. Means both these numbers are equal. Means both these numbers are equal. If these two numbers are equal, then these two cannot be your answers. If this one and this one both are smallest, means you have to compare these two numbers only, because we have only one option which is correct. If we have option number A, ki both C and D are correct, then we can follow it, because we have to find the smallest number and both are equal, means this one and this one cannot be your answer. You have to compare between this number and this one number. So you have 2 to the power 40, and you have 3 to the power 7 21. You have 3 to the power 21. See, this number is the biggest, you can't compare it. You have to find the smallest number na. See, here a magical, you need not to solve this question. See, both these numbers are equal, means they can't be the answer. Why? Because this number are same, and both same number cannot be the option, because we have to eliminate one of the number. So these two option cannot be your answer. And this one is greater to this one, this one is greater to this one, sorry, this one is greater to this one. So this one also cannot be the answer, because this one is greater than this. So do not solve the question, this one is the answer. But if options become more difficult, then how you will tackle? Means you have to compare you need not to compare this number because this one is the larger. So what you have to do, you have to compare these two numbers, either 2 to the power 36 and 3 to the power 21. And you know that 21 and 36, their SCF is 3. So you have to make their power 3. You will do 2 to the power 12. I am solving just to make your calculations, to make your concepts more clear. Whether if the UPSC has made option more harder, then you need to know all the things what can be done in this question. See, so you will do 3 to the power 7 to the power 3. 2 to the power 12 is 4096. It is 4096, and 3 to the power 6 is 2187. 2187. 2187. So this one is the smallest. This one is the smallest. Next.